Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks and ETFs with real momentum. I'm Mitchell, and today we're breaking down ProShares UltraShort Bitcoin ETF, ticker SBIT, a leveraged fund seeking 2 times the inverse daily performance of Bitcoin. In late 2025, as Bitcoin faces bearish pressure and pulls back, SBIT is capturing upside. On December 12th, shares climbed 3.53% to close at $41.69, building on recent gains. The ETF saw a notable $1.5 million inflow on December 11th, signaling investor interest in hedging crypto volatility. With Bitcoin's spot price correcting amid market uncertainty, inverse plays like SBIT offer a way to profit from downside moves. But remember, it's leveraged and designed for short-term trading. Is this a hedging opportunity or short-lived bounce? Share your view in the comments. Long Bitcoin, short, or sideline? Like for more crypto ETF breakdowns, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some money. Become a member of my channel today. And we'll see you in the next one.